we're going to have a look on this Fairline Squadron 50. High-low platform. Okay, you have to put your bag down.
Put my bag in.
Yeah. There we go. This is nice. 50 foot. 1.1 mil. TV, seating area, lovely. Look at that helm.
That's a nice area.
Nice and open. Oh, we've got forward cabin.
That's your Jack and Jill here.
Jack and Jill, because this is obviously not the master.
That's pretty cool, isn't it, that? That's what little steps.
That's a bunk bed. That's your Jack and Jill. Then going aft, we have owner's suite. Very nice.
Do the
And
thank you.
ensuite. It's nice. Do you like it, Bird?
Yeah.
Even it's 1.1 mil, it's going to be nice. Get off the bed.
It's lovely.
Beautiful. Could definitely live on this and take this
Do you
around.
think what size is this one?
50.
Is it? Is it 50?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh yes, it is. 3 cabins, yeah.
Why, what do you think it is?
Yeah, no. Where's the kitchen's there?
Yeah. Let's go up on the flybridge. Wonderful. Yeah, this would do us, darling. That's nice.
It's a nice area, isn't it? Love that.
There we are.
Lovely.
So let's down in the front.
Some
Yeah, I'd be happy driving this.
It's nice, I like this. I still think Galleon's
65. Next. Wonderful.